In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap icons in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to streamline your workflow, changing icons can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your designs. So grab your favorite design beverage, sit back, and let's jump right into it. To start off, you'll want to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many of us have come to love for its intuitive design and powerful features. Once there, find the login option located usually at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Just enter your credentials or log in with Google if that's easier for you, and you're in. It's important to have your account ready since we'll be doing some fun designing today. Next, once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Figma home dashboard. This landing page is like the command center for all your projects. From here, it's easy to navigate and access your recent files or start new projects. For today's task, you'll want to locate the Design tab. Clicking on Design will open up your canvas area where all the magic happens. Now with your design space open, we're ready to move on to the icon that you want to replace. Navigate to that icon. Clicking on it will highlight it and display its details on the right hand properties panel. It's analogous to selecting an item in any design software. We're essentially just preparing to make alterations. When you have the icon selected, the next step is to delete it. Before you panic, just know that deleting and replacing icons will not affect the rest of your design as long as you've carefully selected only the icon. With the icon highlighted, simply hit the delete key on your keyboard. You'll see your canvas refresh, leaving an empty space where your previous icon used to be. To bring in a fresh new look with a new icon, you'll now want to drag the new icon into your canvas. If it's already in your file hierarchy, you can do this by clicking and dragging it from your assets panel or import it from your computer directly into your design space. Place it where your old icon was, making sure it's aligned properly with your other design elements for a cohesive look. And that's it! You've just swapped out an icon in Figma. Remember, while this may seem like a simple task, changing icons can drastically impact the look and feel of your design. Figma makes it easy and fast to implement such changes, allowing you to experiment with different styles and ideas, play around with different icons, get creative, and watch your designs come to life in new ways. Don't forget to save your work and keep exploring all the design possibilities that Figma has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.